I've stood in front of dry cleaners so many times. It used to be part of our routine, my mom and I. But ever since I started understanding the cost behind that clean tag, I began to wonder, is it worth it for the planet and for the clothes we love so much? Hi, I'm Arpita, and I believe in giving our clothes a second time, a second story. Today, let's talk about why I stopped dry cleaning years ago and how I keep my clothes fresh, clean, and long lasting with simple, natural methods from my own sustainable wardrobe care practice. Why I said no to dry cleaning. Dry cleaning often uses a chemical called PERC, perchloroethylene, a toxin that pollutes the air and water and can break down the fabric structure over time.
It lingers in the soil, seeps into groundwater, and travels through the air. In our bodies, PERC can harm the brain, liver, and kidneys and has been linked to cancer.
Beyond that, it felt like outsourcing care. I wanted to know my clothes, what they needed, how they aged. And I realized most of them didn't need dry cleaning. They just needed gentle hands. My conscious garment care practices. Number one, hand washing delicates. A small basin, cold water, mild soap. I let them soak, press gently, and dry flat on a towel, especially silk, vintage, or anything upcycled.
Regular cotton tops and undergarments are line dried, sometimes under soft sunlight, but most of the time indoors in the shade.
Number two, steam it, don't soak it. Steamers are magic. They remove wrinkles, kill bacteria, and refresh fabrics without wear and tear. You can also add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the water for that mild scent. Number three, sunlight plus air circulation. Sometimes your clothes don't need washing, they just need breathing. I hang my clothes in a shaded balcony or in a shaded room and let the breeze do its magic. Sunlight in moderation also kills odor causing bacteria. Number four, natural stain removal. Baking soda paste for underarms, lemon juice for whites, even gentle soap and a toothbrush for targeted stains. Test first, treat with love.
I've shared natural ways to remove different stains in another video. Link in the description. Watch it next.
Number five, smart storage equals to longer life. For structured garments, you can use padded hangers. For knits, I fold them flat. For upcycled pieces, I store them with neem leaves to prevent moths without chemicals. Sustainable fashion isn't just about what we buy, it's about how we care. When we stop relying on machines and toxic processes and start tuning into the quiet needs of our clothes, something shifts. We become more present. Garment care becomes a ritual, a small act of rebellion, a soft kind of power. Which of these do you already use? Or are you still visiting the dry cleaner every few weeks? Tell me in the comments. Let's reimagine how we care for what we wear together. And if this resonates with you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. If this video helped shift your perspective even a little, share it with someone who needs to hear this. Let's make mindful garment care a norm, not an exception. See you next week with more ways to live sustainably, simply, and consciously.